Hi Dress Your Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a ghost inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute ghost, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. A nice big circle. For some draw so cute eyes, of course. And then we're going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, now that my circle's in, let's come back in here and we're gonna put two small circles right here for some highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now that my eye's in, let's come to the top right here. We're just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a mouth. So I'm going to come out right here and just draw a curve right in the center as it slightly goes up. And we're going to cap it off. And you can leave it like that, but I thought it'd be really cute if we just added some teeth and a tongue. So I'm just going to widen this mouth and then come right back here and draw some sharp teeth. And at the bottom right here, we're going to draw a curve for a tongue, and I'm just going to come in here and shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. There, now it's very ghostly, right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to find the center of our eye, and let's come out, let's say about this wide. I'm just going to make it about that wide, and here as well. So same thing, we're just going to give ourselves 2 points because you're drawing pretty big, just makes it a little bit easier. And from there, we're just going to draw a curve coming down. So we're just going to start the body. But before we finish the rest of the body, let's bring this, let's see here. Actually, you know what? This side is going to stay the same. From there, let's come back to this point right here, and we're going to go up with this huge curve and come back down to here. So I'm just going to bring it up a tiny bit more so I can make sure I'm above this little curve, and I'm going to bring it up. So I'll bring it up to maybe the end of the eye. So let's keep going. Just want this nice big curve across, so like kind of like the end of this eye, and then about right here I'm just going to go ahead and start to bring it down. So this is going to be where our hat's going to sit, right? So now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We're going to draw the rim of our hat. So I'm going to come back in here, just come below this point, and we're just going to draw a curve, and we're going to bring it right back to here. So nice big curve all the way around. As we come to here, we're just going to tuck it in. There. And then we're going to draw the top of our hat. So let's come about right here once again, but we just want to make sure we're about this width. So we're going to come out, curl out. So same thing here. Just want to go and make sure it's about the same. So like you don't want the hat this small. Just want to make sure it's about the same width. So let's go up. Oops, this is so hard on I need to turn my body here. So I'm going to go up this big curve and come down. So we're just creating this little point. So let's come down. And about right here, we're going to come in. And we're going to draw this little tail, round it off, and bring it in for our hat. From there, let's draw some stripes on this hat so we can make it very Halloweenish colors. I'm just going to come right here. And we're just curving as if this is the center where everything's just curving around. So this way it gives our hat some volume and detail. So we're going to come all the way here and add curves. There, so just go around, right? So it adds a lot of volume to our hat. from there, let's go ahead and finish the body. So we're going to bring this down, and this part's all up to you, like how long you want to make your ghost. But say about right there. I'm not going to make mine too long, just a little bit shorter, be cuter, I feel. So about right there. Let's bring this in, and we're just going to create a little tail on this side. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to wave it out, round off the tip, create our little ghost tail, and then give it a little wobble about right here, and then connect. There. So whatever is easiest, you can go this way as well to create your little tail. And then let's see here, I need to write the word boo right across. So I'm going to come about right here and just quickly draw the word boo. It's a nice big B and then 2 O's right next to each other. And an exclamation mark. Now I'll make the point right here a heart to make it my Draw So Cute ghost, of course. And then come back in here. And the O. There. And then I thought it'd be really cute. This is just my own thing. I'm going to come right here and just add these little ghostly hands. There. Kind of looks like wings almost, right? And one more about right here. That would just add some more cuteness to this drawing. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Squishmallows inspired ghost turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.